Hey friends, if you wish to change your laptop's power button action when pressed on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Now on the list on the left hand side, there's something called as choose what the power buttons do, and then you will enter this page where you can change the power button options. So the question is to what to do when the power button is pressed. So there's something which says when I press the power button. Now in my case it is shut down, but you can also change it to sleep for the on battery mode and change it to something else like shut down for the plugged in mode, and click on save changes. That's it. You don't even need to restart the system. It will immediately apply the changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.